Good afternoon to one and all. So, in the previous lecture, we have discussed about the electrical workshop and which types of experiment we want to conduct in case of electrical workshop. So, this general discussion and introductory part we have already discussed in the previous lecture. Okay. So, today we'll start our experiment one by one. So, actually, in the previous lecture also, I have discussed some overview regarding this electrical workshop, which types of practical it can be conducted on this, which are the study experiment, which are the performance experiments. So, this already we have discussed in the previous lecture. So, today we will start our actual practical. That is first one practical. It is nothing but understanding practical. So that is, it is nothing but an study practical. First one, that is experiment number 1. It is nothing but the title of that experiment. It is the understanding of different types of switches such as SPST, SPDT, DPST and DPDT. Okay, so title of today's experiment number 1 is that understanding of different types of switches. So we want to understand the different types of switches like SPST switch. What is meant by SPST switch? How it can be used? How many number of poles are there? How many number of throws are there? Then SPDT, that means single pole or double throw types of switch. Then DPST and DPDT switch. So today we will discuss regarding these types of switches. Okay, now see, the aim of this practical or aim of this experiment is that the study different types of switches, to study the different types of switches. So the apparatus required in that switches is that the switch SPST, SPDT, DPST, DPDT switches. Okay, so what is meant by SP and DP? See here, here SP, and here it is in two switches there are SP is given, and two switches there are DP is given. Okay, then in two switches ST is given, in two switches the ST is given. Here it is ST and here it is DT. Okay, that means what is meant by SP? SP, it is nothing but SP. It is nothing but it will refers to a single pole, and DP it can be referred to the double pole. SP it can be referred to the single pole. That means SP, its name indicates that SP is nothing but single pole, and DP it is nothing but and double pole. Okay, so this switch having a double pole, it is called as DP. The switch which is having a single pole, it is called as SP. Then ST and DT. Okay, ST its name suggests that the ST it is nothing but single throw, it is nothing but ST, and DT is nothing but double throw. Okay, double throw it is nothing but DT. So it's general long form of this switch, that is single pole single throw switch, single pole double throw switch, double pole single throw switch, then a double pole a double throw switch. Okay, now the pole it nothing but it will refers to number of circuit is to be controlled. Pole it is nothing but, suppose single pole, the meaning of single pole is nothing but single pole it can be controlled by single throw. By throwing a single, the only a single pole it can be controlled, and that means pole refers to the controlling of the poles. That is, poles refer to the controlling of that switches. SP is nothing but single pole, so that it is nothing but it will control a single pole. Okay, then DP having a double pole, that means it will control a double pole, that is it will control a two pole, so that the pole refers as a controlling by that switch. त्या switch न control केलेलं किंवा केलेलं controlling is nothing but DP or SP. So it is nothing but pole. And do you know that the DT it is nothing but DT it is nothing but an throw, or it may be a either it may be one's throw, that means it is like as a one movement, or one either opening or closing movement. So it is nothing but an one throw. Okay, so by throwing once, it will connect to the one pole, then our circuit it can be completed. Or by throwing twice, it will connect a two pole, then our two circuit it can be connected. So like that, it is nothing but SP. Pole refers to the top number of circuit is to be controlled by that switch, and the DT, or it may be SP, it can be referred to the how many throw, within how many throw we can control the circuit. Okay, so these are the apparatus required. Now we will see one by one switch, why it is called as this switch, and what is the connection diagram of that switch. Okay, so this is first one. It is nothing but SPST switch. First one, it is nothing but an SPST switch. So the name it will suggest that SPST is nothing but single pole single throw type of switch. Single pole single throw type of switch. Okay, now in case of a single pole single throw switch is a switch that only has a single input and can connect only to one output. Okay, see, the single pole single throw switch, it is one type of switch that only has a single input. That means this switch having a single input and a single output, one input and one output. Okay, so that means this will having a single input and a single output in case of single pole single throw. This means it only has a one input terminal and only one output terminal. Okay, so that means it is having an only one input terminal, एकच input terminal असेल, and only one output terminal. Okay, getting? So SPST, it will be having an one input terminal and one output terminal. That means one pole it can be connected once throw can be done, and it is having an one input terminal and another one is the output terminal. Okay, now see, I will show the diagram for that switch. Okay, SPST, in that, see here, this switch is there. Okay, this switch, it is having an poles. Suppose this one pole is an input pole. Here it is BAT is given is nothing but battery terminal, or one of the battery terminal it can be connected here. Okay, then another terminal it can be connected to output side, or it may be load. So this one is the input terminal and this one is the output terminal. Okay, this switch having an one input terminal and one of the output terminal. So when we throw this switch, then that pole, or it may be that terminal, it can be connected directly. Okay, see, this is a arm, or it may be this is a movable arm. When we move this to this one side, at that situation, this terminal it can be connected to the output terminal. हे जे काय terminal असेल, so like that, here it is. I will show diagram. Suppose here it is an output side and this one is an input side. Okay, so here input, at the input there are batteries connected. At the output, suppose there are a bulb, or it may be load is connected. Okay, इकडे एखादा load connect केलेला, and this is the switch arm, or it may be switching. Now if this switch is moved in the other side, that means switch is moved here, at that situation the internal terminal, that means these two terminal, it can be connected directly. So it is nothing but and single pole single throw. Is it visible now?
Yes, sir.
One chat message is given, present no, that means I don't understand this.
सॉरी सर चुकून
Okay, okay, okay. See, this switch, that means here it is input side, here it is output side. Once we move this R from one position to the other position, at that situation this will be connected. Okay, single pole, single throw. Once we have thrown this switch, at that situation it will connect it to output. So this is nothing but and single pole, single throw, single pole, single throw. So I will show one connection diagram to you where it can be used, that is application of these types of switch. See here it is one battery terminal, that means one of the battery is given. Here it is one battery, and then here it is one SPST switch is putted in between the lamp and the battery, and here it is the load, it can be connected as a lamp. Now when we throw this switch, at that situation this circuit becomes closed, or it may be complete the circuit closed path, then current start flowing from that lamp. At that situation the current, it will be flowing from that lamp and lamp will glow. Okay, so this is a simple single pole single throw, that means it will connect a single circuit. Once throw, it will connect a single circuit. Okay, meaning of that, single pole is nothing but meaning of pole, as I have told that meaning of pole refers to controlling circuit. Okay, that means a single pole is nothing but it will control a single circuit. It will control a single circuit, that is SPST. Okay, SPST. Now see here in this diagram again I have shown the figure, that is working of SPST on off rocker switch. So on off type of switch, this switch our general, that means a positive negative, or it maybe we can call it as a 0 and 1, that means in a digital output like a 0 position, off position, 1 is nothing but on position. See, this is a animated diagram. See here, the battery, it can be connected. Battery is nothing but input, it is connected to this one terminal of the switch. Switch eka terminal la connect केलेलं आहे. Here it is. Then another terminal, it is connected to the load. Now when we throw this switch, at that situation this lamp will glow. Okay, ha lamp काय होतोय बघा, it will glow. So this is nothing but an single pole single throw type of switch, and they are working. Okay, when we throw once, at that situation one circuit, it can be controlled by using this SPST switch. Okay, getting? लक्षात आलं का? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you. Then we will see the next one type of switch is that.
Hello, sir.
Yes.
Operating voltage काय आहे ह्याचं?
Which one?
कितीपर्यंत ऑपरेट होऊ शकतो स्विच?
This switch क्या?
हम्म.
It is depends upon switch type. जर हे असं प्लास्टिक मधलं स्विच असेल, it is
प्लास्टिक नाही, वरचं ते तुम्ही ते
हे का?
हा
इट्स डिपेंड्स अपॉन याच्यावरती डिपेंड राहील, हे जे काय कॉपर कंडक्टर आणि त्याच्यामधलं मटेरियल यूज केलेलं आहे त्याच्यावर याचं ऑपरेटिंग असेल. दिस स्विच इट कॅन बी ऑपरेटेड ऍट मिनिमम 10 एम्पियर सॉरी मिनिमम 6 एम्पियर पर्यंत ऑपरेट करता येईल. हे
व्होल्टेज
दिस स्विच, ह्या स्विचचं स्पेसिफिकेशन आय थिंक आय हॅव नॉट डन हिअर स्पेसिफिकेशन, आय हॅव नॉट राईट हिअर, बट इट इज अ जस्ट कंट्रोलिंग स्विच आणि याचं हे मॅक्झिमम 6 एम्पियर पर्यंत यूज करू शकतो आपण. ओके, मॅक्झिमम.
सर तो करंट झालं व्होल्टेज
6 एम्पियर करंट म्हणजे आपला सिंगल फेज व्होल्टेज झालं ना. जनरली आपण फ्यूज किती एम्पियरची यूज करतो आपल्या डोमेस्टिक लोड साठी?
6
एम्पियर फ्यूज. 6 एम्पियर रेटिंग फ्यूज असते, दॅट इज इट इज रेटेड. ओके, इट इज अगेन इट्स डिपेंड्स अपॉन द साइज ऑफ स्विच. स्विचच्या साईज वरती पण डिपेंड राहील परत. ओके, स्विचची साईज परत इन्क्रीज करता येईल. जर रेटिंग इन्क्रीज झालं तर इट विल बी इन्क्रीजेस साईज ऑफ स्विच. स्विचची साईज इन्क्रीज करावी लागेल. सो नॉर्मल रेटिंग फॉर दिस वी कॅन यूज फॉर 230 वोल्ट 230 वोल्ट पर्यंत यूज करू शकतो. सिमिलरली जसे आपले आता अनदर स्विच लाईक MCB MCCB. आता MCB मध्ये आपण त्याचं स्पेसिफिक व्होल्टेज स्पेसिफिक करंट रेटिंग इट शुड बी डिपेंड्स अपॉन दी हे जे काय ब्रासच्या पट्ट्या यूज करतोय आपण, हे जे काय टर्मिनल यूज करतोय ना त्याच्यावरती डिपेंड राहील. मग MCB मध्ये 6 एम्पियरचा पण MCB असेल, ॲज वेल ॲज 16 एम्पियर MCB, ॲज वेल ॲज 32 एम्पियर MCB. म्हणजे त्याचं रेटिंग स्विच साईज वरती डिपेंड, म्हणजे त्याच्यावरती डिपेंड राहील. बरोबर ना. So this is nothing but this will be we can use generally up to 6 ampere. Now next one type of switch, it is nothing but SPDT. Next one type of switch, it is nothing but SPDT, that is single pole double throw type of switch. Single pole double throw type of switch. Okay, see the single pole double throw that is SPDT switch is a switch that only has a single input and can connect to the switch between two outputs. Okay, आता याच्यासाठी I think two way switch तुम्ही बघितला असेल. That means one input is there, we can connect one input is there and it is having an two output. Okay, दोन आउटपुट असतील आणि एकच इनपुट असेल. when we throw a single, at that situation you will control a single pole, that means you will control a single circuit. When we throw this switch to this side, at that situation you control this another side or another circuit. That means a single pole double throw, single pole double throw switch is a switch that only has a single input. त्याला सिंगल इनपुट असेल, फक्त सिंगल इनपुट, and can connect to the switch between two outputs. दोन आउटपुट मध्ये स्विच ऍक्ट होईल. This means it has a one input terminal and two output terminal. Okay, this has a one input terminal and two output terminal. Generally suppose the switch for that practical application मध्ये स्विच बघितलं तर तुम्ही जे लाउड स्पीकर असतात त्यासाठी फॉर कनेक्टिंग अ जनरेटर टर्मिनल ॲज वेल ॲज फॉर कनेक्टिंग आवर इलेक्ट्रिसिटी, टू पोल्स असतात आणि दिस टू पोल इट कॅन बी कनेक्टेड बाय वन थ्रो, that means one single type of switch. So it is nothing but single pole double throw type of switch. Okay, single pole double throw type of switch. Now I will show figure. Okay, see here the two load is there, that means two output is there, or load side there are two load side. It is having an three terminal, याला तीन टर्मिनल आहेत बघा. Then one middle terminal, here the input it can be connected. या middle terminal ला input connect केले असेल. then the other two, that means this one and this three, these two terminal are the output side terminal. हे दोन output side terminal असतील. This one is then input terminal, हे एक input terminal असेल. So if we connect here input, sometimes this switch it is used as a single output and two input, म्हणजे दोन इनपुट आणि सिंगल आउटपुटला आपण यूज करतो. सो जे लाउड स्पीकरला आपण यूज करतो जनरली फॉर जनरेटर कनेक्शन, हियर इट इज जनरेटर कनेक्शन इज देअर, here it is electricity connection is there, and here it is output is given. Okay, so when the electrical supply is there, तिथे electrical supply असेल, just throwing this or throwing these sides, you connect this output terminal to electricity side. When electricity goes off or electricity we will be interrupt, at that situation electricity it will be interrupt, at that situation we will connect by generator. Okay, so this is nothing but this is a two output terminal and one of the input terminal type of switch. It is nothing but SPDT switch. SPDT switch. Okay. Now again its rating, it should be depends upon size. त्याच्या size वरती depend राहील. For minimum size, that means it can be used for milliampere to ampere पर्यंत use करू शकतो. Maximum 16 ampere पर्यंत use करू शकतो. Now this means that one input terminal and the two output terminal is there. See the connection diagram. See here. Here it is. This connection diagram shows that the two output terminal and one input terminal is there. इथं दोन output terminal आणि एक input terminal दाखवलेलं आहे. See here. Here it is input terminal. There battery, it can be connected to that of input of that switch. The switch ला switchच्या input ला battery connect केलेले आहे. And at the output side there are two types of load. One is the lamp load and another one is the what is this? काय आहे? Hello, what is this? Anyone?
Diode.
Diode. Which diode? But here it is, two arrow is given. So this diode is nothing but light emitting diode. Light emitting diode. So this means there are two types of load. One is the light limiting diode load and one is the lamp load. When we want to connect to the lamp, at that situation, by throwing this switch to this side, we can connect the lamp load. Again, by throwing this here, we can connect the load, that is light emitting diode load. Okay, light emitting diode load. Now the application or particular connection is there. Suppose here it is diode D1 and diode D2, it can be connected. Diode D1 and diode D2, it can be connected. And here it is supply, or it may be battery connection is there. So at the input side there are a battery, it can be connected. And when we throw this switch at position one position la connect केलं, at that situation this diode, it will be energized. बघा या डायग्राम मध्ये दाखवलेलं आहे this diode. Application of this SPDT type of toggle switch, controlling two LED light emitting diode and control करतोय. So this one is the first one controlling. When we move this switch to the position 1 and when we move this switch to the position 2, at that situation this light emitting diode will be controlled. Okay, that means these types of switch SPDT, it will be this switch, it will be used where the two input is there, and two input and one, sorry, it will be one input is there and the two output is there. Okay, where the two output application is there and one input, at that situation we will use these types of SPDT switch. Okay, then next one type of switch is that DPST switch. Next one, it is nothing but an DPST switch. Now in case of DPST switch, the DPST means a double pole single throw. Double pole single throw switch is a switch that has a two input and two output. Double pole single throw, it is having an two input and two output. Each input has one corresponding output. Okay, I think these types of switch you used in the your generator practical performance, while doing an generator practical performance. So this switch having an two input and two output. Suppose here it is one input terminal, here it is another one input terminal, here it is another one output terminal, and here it is output terminal. 1, 2 input terminal, 3, 4 output terminal. And this switch, it will be like this. This switch, it will be like this. That means when we throw this switch, the two poles of the two poles of that circuit, it can be connected at a time. At a time मध्ये once, that means one single throw, the two poles it should be connected. दोन पोल कनेक्ट होतील किंवा दोन टर्मिनल as well as two circuit it can be controlled. So in case of DC motor मध्ये so best example for that, it is nothing but in your practical performance of DC machine च्या practical performance साठी आपण जो काय MCB यूज करतो, it is like as a DPST switch. In single throw, the two poles it can be connected, or we generally use a MCB, or it may be in practical where the connection it can be done. At that situation we use for external circuitry, we can use this switch also. या टाइपचं स्विच पण आपण यूज करू शकतो. सो डबल पोल सिंगल थ्रो, double pole single throw switch is a switch that has two input. याच्यामध्ये याला दोन इनपुट असतील and two input and two output is there, two input and two output is there. So this input output, that is connection between these two pole, it is done at a time. That means when we throw a once, एकदा थ्रो केलं की all pole connect होतील, that is all two pole connect होतील. So this is nothing but an DPST switch. So this switch that has a two input and two output. Now I will show the figure for that. Okay, see here, suppose there are two input terminal. There are two input terminal, that means these two are the two input terminal. Here it is 1 and 2. So it is a terminal, two terminal on input side, two terminal on output side. दोन terminal input side वरती असतील, दोन terminal output side वरती असतील. So that means at a single throw or once we can throw, एकदा throw केलं की all two poles are connected automatically. Okay, that means दोन्ही pole at a time connect होतील. So this is nothing but an double pole single throw. In one single throw we can connect a double pole, or it may be we can connect a double terminal or double circuit. We can control a two circuit by throwing once. This is called as double pole single throw type of switch. दोन पोल आहे त्याच्यामध्ये, इनपुट साइडला दोन टर्मिनल असतील, आउटपुट साइडला दोन टर्मिनल असतील. सो एकदा हे स्विच थ्रो केलं म्हणजे स्विच मूवमेंट केली, at that situation the input to terminal it can be directly connected to that of output to terminal. See here it is battery is given, that means at the input side there are batteries given, at the output side there are load is given. So load in case of DC असेल तर one phase असेल, one neutral असेल, that is plus minus असेल. In case of other that means if there are two load is given, at that situation you just two input and two output is there. Okay, so this is a DPST type of switch. DPST type of switch. So connection, see here again the similar connection, again here the similar connection is there, but circuit A it is having an here battery, or it may be circuit input terminal, circuit B input terminal. Now here it is a throw of that switch, it is once. याचा जो काय थ्रो असेल तो एकदाच असेल, once it can be throw. Then at that situation at a time these two load it can be connected, like a lamp load and LED, that is light emitting diode, it can be connected at a once. When once we throw the switch, at that situation this terminal it can be connected, this two terminal it can be connected automatically or at a times or once. So this is nothing but and double pole single throw, double pole single throw type of switch. Now last one type of switch is that, last one type of switch, it is nothing but DPDT, double pole double throw. Pole is nothing but as I have told that the pole it is nothing but an controlling circuit. Pole म्हणजे controlling circuit असेल. So double pole double throw, these types of switch is a switch that has a 2 input and 4 output. So see here, these types of switch, it is having an 2 input, याला 2 input असतील, but output terminal it is a 4, and each input has 2 corresponding output. प्रत्येक input ला 2 corresponding output असतील. So it is nothing but DP/DT, double pole double throw. Okay, double pole double throw, that means it is having an 2 input terminal and the 4 output terminal, 2 input terminal and the 4 output terminal. So in these types of switch, corresponding to input, corresponding output that can be connected to the load. Okay, see the diagram for that. Okay, see here again, here this is nothing but an DP/DT switch, double pole double throw type of switch. In that, see here it is 2 output is there, that means and here it is 2 output is there, that means these are the load terminal. हे 2 load terminal आहेत, this one is also 2 load terminal, and these 2 are the input terminal, म्हणजे 2 input terminal and 4 output terminal. Okay, 2 input terminal and 4 output terminal, 2 input and 4 output terminal. So in these types of switch, when we throw the switch once, at that situation 2 pole connected automatically, 2 pole connected at a time. Okay, so याच्यामध्ये 2 पोल जे आहेत ते at a time connect होतील. In case of DP/DT switch, in case of DP/DT switch, the 2 poles it can be connected at a once. When we throw a once, 2 output pole it can be connected, and when we connect it to the other side, at that situation other 2 pole it can be connected, other 2 pole connect होतील. So this is nothing but an DP/DT switch. So connection diagram for that, याच्यासाठीची connection diagram. See here again, here the circuit it will be like this. Circuit it will be like this, circuit A, and here it is circuit B, here it is circuit A and here it is circuit B. So these are the input side. At the input side there are 2 pole is there, input side ला 2 pole आहेत, that is double pole, and double throw, that means once we can done a throw, at that situation it will connect twice. Double pole double throw, that means these 2 loads are connected and these 2 loads are also connected. See here 4 types of load is given, that means it is having an 4 output terminal, याला 4 output terminal असतील. See in this figure, one of the lamp terminal lamp output is there, one of the LED output is there, one of the buzzer output is there, and another one is nothing but speaker output. That means the 4 output terminal and the 2 input terminal, these types of switch having an 4 output terminal or the 4 output, not a terminal, 4 output and 2 input, म्हणजे 2 input असतील आणि 4 output असतील. At that situation this switch it can be connected. When we once throw, at that situation एक throw केला एका circuitचा, at that situation 2 loads are connected. Then similarly when we throw once, at that situation these 2 loads are connected. If again this is like suppose हे जर सिंगल थ्रो मध्ये करायचं असेल, that means when we want to do it in single throw, suppose this is a common terminal and this is a one type of switch. हे जर one type of switch असेल, just once throw, एकदा थ्रो केला की all terminal it can be connected. Okay, इथं all terminal. So these types of switch it is generally a wooden switch, म्हणजे हे जे काही switch असतात generally wooden type चे switch असतात. So this toggle type of switch it can be connected like this. When we throw on this side, at that situation these 2 poles are connected or 2 output are connected. When this switch it can be throw on this side, at that situation these 2 outputs are connected. Okay, so this is a DP/DT switch. Okay, this is nothing but and DP/dt switch. Okay, understanding? Is there any doubt? समझ का? Just this is an understanding purpose experiment. Just understand the types of switches. Switches type फक्त बघायचे. So that I have discussed regarding that SPST, SPDT, DPST and DPDT. So these are the 4 types of switches we have discussed in this today's practical. Okay. So hence final conclusion is that we can write the conclusion. Hence we have studied the above all types of switches, like or you just write this name of switches: SPST, DPST, SPDT, DPDT. So these are the 4 types of switches we have understand in this practical, that is understanding of types of switches, or to study the types of switches. Okay, getting? समझले का? Hello, please give me reply. Is there any doubt? Hello, anyone, please give me reply. Okay, so this is the first one experiment. First one experiment is that understanding of different types of switches. Okay, in your electrical workshop subject, that is, it is only practical subject. It will contain only a internal continuous assessment. So this is first one practical, that is understanding of different types of switches. Okay,